When talking about safety within the center, there are several requirements a student must follow for both their own safety and the safety of those around them. Among these requirements are closed-toed shoes, long pants, and tied-back hair. If necessary, we provide hair ties for you to tie your hair back. They are completely clean and new. Another requirement we have is safety glasses. You can find safety glasses by the side of the door of manufacturing or within any lab that requires them. And if necessary, and you use glasses like me, you can request over-glass safety glasses at the front desk. There is also some equipment in the center that has additional safety requirements. For example, earplugs for louder equipment or gloves. These will be provided by the center and it will be requested by the peer mentors in case it is necessary.